5 little Thomases jumping on the bed. One fell off and he bumped his head. First he told Sir Topham, and Sir Topham had said, "Put that Thomas back to bed." 4 little Thomases jumping on the bed. One fell off and he bumped his head. First he told Sir Topham, and Sir Topham had said, "Put that Thomas back onto bed." 3 little Thomases jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. First he told Sir Topham, and Sir Topham had said, "Put that Thomas back onto bed." 2 little Thomases jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. First he told Sir Topham had said, "Put that Thomas back on the bed." 1 little Thomas jumping on the bed, but he fell off and then he bumped his head. First he told Sir Topham and he said, "Thomas, now it's time to go to bed." Should we do it one more time? I think so. 5 little Thomases jumping on the bed. One fell off and he bumped his head. First he told Sir Topham and he said, "Put that Thomas back to bed." 4 little Thomases jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. First he told Sir Topham and then he said, "Put Thomas right back to bed." 3 little Thomases jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. First he ran and told Sir Topham and he said, "Put him back to bed." 2 little Thomases jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. First he told Sir Topham and he said, "Thomas, now go to bed." 1 little Thomas left on the bed. He is jumping till he fell on his head. First he told Sir Topham and he said, "All of you Thomases now go to bed." Don't forget to like our page and subscribe.